Nestled in the Thrissur district of Kerala lies a town that is often overlooked by many travelers. This town, Kunnamkulam, is a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. Kunnamkulam is a town that exudes a charm that is both timeless and captivating. As you walk through its quaint streets, you can feel the essence of a bygone era, often missed by the casual traveler. The town's serene atmosphere and slow pace of life offer a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of city life. It is a place where time seems to move at a slower pace. The clock tower in the town square stands as a silent witness to the passage of time, reminding visitors to take a moment to pause and reflect. The town is steeped in history and tradition. Its historical buildings and traditional architecture tell stories of a rich cultural heritage that has been preserved through the ages. Kunnamkulam offers a glimpse into the authentic heart of Kerala. The local market is a bustling hub of activity where vendors sell fresh produce, spices and handmade crafts. Kunnamkulam is known for its natural beauty. The town is surrounded by lush greenery with scenic landscapes that are a feast for the eyes. Lush greenery surrounds the town. The verdant fields and rolling hills create a picturesque backdrop that is perfect for nature lovers and photographers alike. The gentle flow of the Pujakal River adds to its serenity. The river meanders through the town, providing a tranquil setting for leisurely walks and peaceful moments. Kunnamkulam's cultural richness is evident in its many temples, churches and mosques. These religious landmarks stand as a testament to the town's diverse and harmonious community. The people of Kunnamkulam are warm and welcoming. Their hospitality is genuine, and they take pride in sharing their town's unique heritage with visitors. They are proud of their heritage. The locals are eager to showcase their traditional customs, crafts, and cuisine, offering visitors an immersive cultural experience. The town's vibrant culture is reflected in its festivals and celebrations. Throughout the year, Kunnamkulam comes alive with colorful events that highlight the town's rich traditions and joyous spirit. Kunnamkulam is a true hidden gem. Its scenic hidden spots and beautiful lesser-known locations offer a sense of discovery for those willing to explore. It offers a unique and unforgettable experience for those seeking an authentic taste of Kerala. From its historical landmarks to its natural beauty and vibrant culture, Kunnamkulam is a destination that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. The Pujakal River is the lifeline of Kunnamkulam. This river, with its serene and steady flow, has been the heart and soul of the town for centuries. It is not just a body of water, but a vital artery that nourishes the land and its people. It flows gracefully through the heart of the town, weaving its way through the bustling streets and quiet neighborhoods. The river's presence is felt everywhere, from the town's center to its outskirts. The river is a source of life and livelihood for the people. Fishermen rely on its abundant waters for their daily catch, while farmers depend on it to irrigate their fields. The river's bounty sustains the community in countless ways. Its banks are dotted with coconut groves and paddy fields, creating a lush and verdant landscape. These groves and fields are a testament to the river's role in nurturing the land. The Pujakal River is a sight to behold, especially when the sunlight dances on its surface, creating a shimmering spectacle. This natural beauty draws visitors and locals alike to its banks. It shimmers under the warm Kerala sun, reflecting the vibrant hues of the sky and the surrounding greenery. The river's sparkling waters are a source of inspiration and tranquility. The river is a hub of activity. Boats glide across its surface, carrying goods and people, while the banks are alive with the sounds of daily life. From morning till night, the river is a constant presence in the lives of the townspeople. Fishermen cast their nets in its waters, hoping for a bountiful catch. The river provides not just fish, but a way of life for these hard-working individuals. Women wash clothes on its banks, their laughter and chatter mingling with the sound of flowing water. This daily ritual is a reminder of the river's role in the everyday lives of the people. Children play and splash in its shallows, their joyous cries echoing across the water. For them, the river is a playground, a place of endless fun and adventure. The river plays a vital role in the town's ecosystem. It supports a diverse range of plants and animals, creating a rich and vibrant habitat. It sustains a rich diversity of flora and fauna, from the smallest insects to the largest trees. The river's ecosystem is a delicate balance maintained by the constant flow of water. The river is also a place of cultural significance. It is the site of many traditional rituals and ceremonies where people come to seek blessings and offer prayers. Several temples and shrines are located along its banks, adding to the river's spiritual importance. These sacred sites are visited by devotees from near and far. The Pujakal River is an integral part of Kunnamkulam's identity. It is more than just a river. It is a symbol of the town's heritage, a source of sustenance and a place of beauty and tranquility. The river's presence is woven into the very fabric of KUNNAMKULAM, making it truly the lifeline of the town. KUNNAMKULAM is blessed with abundant natural beauty. Nestled in the heart of Kerala, this town is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Its landscapes are a testament to nature's splendor, offering a visual feast for those who seek solace in the embrace of greenery. The town is surrounded by lush greenery. Everywhere you look, there are trees and plants thriving, creating a vibrant and lively atmosphere. The dense foliage provides a natural canopy, offering shade and a cool respite from the tropical sun. Coconut palms sway gently in the breeze. These iconic trees are not just a sight to behold, but also a vital part of the local ecosystem, providing food, shelter, and a source of livelihood for many residents. Paddy fields stretch as far as the eye can see. These fields are a testament to the region's agricultural heritage, where generations of farmers have cultivated the land, producing rice that feeds the community and beyond. The town's landscape is a tapestry of green hues. From the lightest lime to the deepest emerald, the variety of greens is mesmerizing, each shade telling a story of growth and renewal. The air is fresh and invigorating. The clear blue skies contrast beautifully with the vibrant green fields, creating a picturesque scene that is both calming and rejuvenating. The scent of spices wafts through the air. KUNNAMKULAM is known for its spice plantations, where the aroma of cardamom, pepper, and other spices fills the air, adding to the sensory experience of the landscape. KUNNAMKULAM is a nature lover's paradise. Its serene settings offer a perfect escape for those looking to reconnect with nature and find peace amidst the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It offers a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. The tranquil countryside provides a perfect backdrop for relaxation and reflection, far removed from the noise and chaos of urban environments. The town's natural beauty is a source of inspiration. Artists, writers, and nature enthusiasts find endless inspiration in the breathtaking landscapes, capturing the essence of KUNNAMKULAM in their works. It is a reminder of the simple pleasures of life. The slow pace of rural life, the connection to the land, and the sense of community are all part of what makes KUNNAMKULAM special. KUNNAMKULAM's green spaces offer a sense of peace and tranquility. These areas are perfect for leisurely walks, picnics, or simply sitting and soaking in the natural beauty that surrounds you. KUNNAMKULAM is a melting pot of cultures and religions. The town is home to temples, churches, and mosques. People of all faiths live together in harmony. KUNNAMKULAM's cultural richness is reflected in its festivals. Onam, Vishu, and Christmas are celebrated with equal fervor. The town comes alive with color and music during these festive occasions. The temples of KUNNAMKULAM are architectural marvels. They are adorned with intricate carvings and sculptures. The churches are known for their peaceful ambience. The mosques are places of worship and community gatherings. Agriculture is the backbone of KUNNAMKULAM's economy. The fertile land and favorable climate make it ideal for farming. Paddy, coconut, and spices are the main crops grown here. KUNNAMKULAM is known for its high-quality rice. The coconut palms provide coconuts, coconut oil, and coir. The town is also a major producer of spices like pepper, turmeric, and ginger. Agriculture provides employment to a large section of the population. The town has a thriving agricultural market. Farmers from surrounding villages come here to sell their produce. Section 6. Ecotourism, unveiling nature's treasures. KUNNAMKULAM has immense potential for ecotourism. Its natural beauty and biodiversity make it an ideal destination. The town offers a range of activities for nature enthusiasts. Trekking through the lush green forests is an exhilarating experience. The Pujakal River is perfect for boating and fishing. The town's backwaters are home to a variety of bird species. Ecotourism can provide a sustainable source of income. It can create employment opportunities for the local community. KUNNAMKULAM can become a model for responsible tourism. Section 7. Birdwatching Paradise. Avian Wonders of KUNNAMKULAM. KUNNAMKULAM is a paradise for birdwatchers. The town's diverse habitats attract a wide variety of bird species. The backwaters, paddy fields, and forests are home to both resident and migratory birds. Birdwatchers can spot kingfishers, herons, egrets, and cormorants. The forests are alive with the calls of cuckoos, woodpeckers, and barbets. KUNNAMKULAM is a haven for avian enthusiasts. The best time for birdwatching is during the winter months. This is when migratory birds flock to the warmer climate of Kerala. Birdwatching tours can be arranged through local operators. Section 8. Nearby attractions, Irinjalakuda and Thrissur. KUNNAMKULAM is located close to several other tourist attractions. Irinjalakuda, known for its Kudalmanikyam temple, is a short distance away. Thrissur, the cultural capital of Kerala, is also easily accessible. Thrissur is famous for its Vadakumnathan temple and the Thrissur Puram festival. The Kerala Kalamandalam, a renowned centre for performing arts, is also located near Thrissur. These nearby attractions add to the appeal of KUNNAMKULAM. Visitors can combine their trip to KUNNAMKULAM with a visit to these places. Section 9. KUNNAMKULAM, a memorable Kerala experience. KUNNAMKULAM is a hidden gem in the heart of Kerala. It is a place where time seems to stand still. The town's natural beauty, cultural richness and warm hospitality make it an ideal destination for travellers seeking an authentic Kerala experience. Whether it's exploring the serene backwaters, immersing oneself in the vibrant culture, or simply enjoying the tranquility of nature, KUNNAMKULAM has something to offer everyone. A visit to this charming town is an experience that will stay with you long after you leave.